Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to another edition of Load Up Crypto. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at a token that I'm fairly interested in, and I'm pretty bullish on this token. And yeah, we're going to be taking a look at some of the latest news that's coming out on it and potentially where we could be headed from now. Just looking at the market as a whole, in the last 24 hours we are down 0.5%, so 1.02 trillion is the market cap for the whole crypto market. Bitcoin's up around, or kind of sitting around that 20 mark. ETH is at 1.579. So yeah, we've got the merge coming upon us in the next few weeks. So hopefully we could see some a shift in some price momentum there, and yeah, we'll just kind of see where it kind of heads from that point onwards. If we take a look at the Fear and Greed Index, so currently we are within an extreme fear environment. So currently trading at 20, that looks like. So yesterday was also extreme fear, last week was also extreme fear. So it pretty much means there's just extreme fear. And generally, when we are looking to load up on our coins and kind of accumulate those fantastic opportunities that are out there, now is probably the best time to be buying. So when the streets are bleeding, that's when you should be out there really accumulating and buying, as you can get a lot of these tokens now on discount. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Again, not financial advice, but yes, it's a good opportunity to DCA into some of the coins that you really want to kind of accumulate. But anyways, the token that I want to talk about today is Flow. So if we head over to Flow, if I click on that, so currently trading at $2.05. It's down 3.8% from yesterday. Circulating supply is around 1 billion, and total supply is 1.3 billion. So pretty much almost all the tokens are out there. And if we look at all-time high, $42, and we are currently 95% down from that, so a long way to go to get to that $42 again, if it does, which I believe it will. I mean, Flow's quite an interesting coin. They're their own blockchain. They've got a lot of development going on at the moment. They recently partnered with Instagram, so what you'll be able to do is link up your Flow wallets to Instagram and display your NFTs. But also just in the news at the moment, so you've got here, so Ticketmaster chooses Dapper Labs, so Flow blockchain for NFT tickets. So that's huge. I mean, that's a day ago. So yeah, that is some huge news, and yeah, really that is big for the crypto space as a whole, because Ticketmaster is a major organization. It deals with various artists, and it's kind of like your number one go-to place for buying tickets to concerts and events and things like that. So just had the website open here, Ticketmaster, so you can see, you've got these guys here, so ABBA Voyage, you've got all these events coming up, all of these partnerships that they've got with all of these stars, WWE, Clash at the Castle. I mean, it is huge. And if Flow can look to, basically, if Ticketmaster can look to develop NFTs as their tickets and use Flow as their blockchain, that would just drive in so much volume, and yeah, it'll be really interesting in the long term. But definitely, guys, take a look at the article there. So that's on Decrypt, about Ticketmaster, looking to use Flow as their kind of chosen blockchain for NFT tickets. And also you got here as well, one day ago, Goldman Sachs banker crypto startups is backed by Flow. Again, it's showing that Flow's got a lot of traction at the moment, and there's a lot of people wanting to build and develop their applications on Flow, and it's definitely one of those blockchains that is seeing a lot of hype and attraction towards it. So yeah, I mean, the news is great. So Ticketmaster, and you've had Instagram the other day, so I mean, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. So it's great great news there for Flow. If we take a look at the charts, so I'm looking at Flow USDT on the daily. Currently we're trading around that, that $2 mark. So if I just zoom in a little bit here, so what it looks like is we're kind of forming a wedge of some sort. So if I go all the way down from there to select there, just put that back in, so down to the bottom, so which is around about there. So yeah, you can see that that little pattern is playing out there, and generally what that means is that you can look to use your base, so this line that we have here, as kind of an indication of where the next leg might be. So if we take that to the bottom there, that is showing that we could potentially break out towards the $3 mark again, which was kind of like a previous, well, it was a previous high not so long ago, although the highs before that were $5 and so on. But yeah, we could potentially in the shorter term look to see a breakout towards that kind of $3 mark, and then yeah, potentially after that, not really sure what the price is going to do, but yeah, in the shorter term we could look to see that move play out there really, because you can see we're on a slight little upwards trend in the past few days or so, and hopefully we can play this kind of move out and look to really get back to that kind of support level of or resistance level of $3.2 dollars. So yeah, in the short term, I'm definitely accumulating Flow, and it's one of those coins that I'm looking to DCA into whilst the prices are at this level, and with the partnerships and whatnot they've got going on. Like I said, Instagram, Ticketmaster, and prior to that, CryptoKitties, NBA Top Shots, NFL, UFC, the list is pretty much endless. So yeah, it's definitely one that I'm looking to load up on. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give me your thoughts below in the comments. Is it a good buy? Is it not? What do you think about it? What coins are you guys buying? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll keep delivering you the latest news and content each time we can. So thank you guys, appreciate the support, and see you next time.